Hi students, welcome back to my channel. This is Varakumar. On the screen, if you are seeing, if 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, and if x is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta, y is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta, and z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta cos power 2n theta. See, when we are looking at the question, like something is different, right? We are feeling difficulty. But when we are trying to solve simple formula, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R, which we know, sum of infinite terms. Sum of infinite terms. If we apply the formula, it is very, very easy. And when you are looking in the options, they're asking us to find the relationship between X, Y, Z. Okay, here only one formula is required, that is S infinity. Okay, let us solve it. How to do it? It is very simple. X is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity. Let us write n value 0 first. When you write something power 0, it is nothing but 1. When you write n value 1, so 2 into 1, it is 2. So we can write it as cos square theta. And similarly, n value 2, it becomes 2 into 2 cos power 4 theta. Okay, let it be extended till where? Infinite. So when we are looking at this, what we feel, that is infinite GP. So that formula, basically, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. So S infinity, then we addressed already X. So X is equal to, A stands for the first term, 1 divided by 1 minus, R stands for the common ratio, which we know T2 by T1. So cos square theta by 1, which is cos square theta. And we know 1 minus cos square theta, nothing but sin square theta. From here, I'm trying to make sin square as a subject. So sin square theta is equal to 1 by x. So this one, keep it away once. Now, similarly, they have given y also, right? Y is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta. The same thing, we have to expand on the top what we have done it. 1 plus sin square theta, sin power 4 theta, and so on, infinite. Then S infinity, same thing addressed as y. 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. 1 by cos square theta. Here also cos square theta, let me make it as subject. Then cos square theta is equal to 1 by y. So this also, let us keep it away one side. Now, when you are seeing z also given, z is equal to what they have given. Z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinite and sin power 2n theta cos power 2n theta into cos power 2n theta. However, whatever the method we have done it on the top, x and y, same thing we'll do for z also. Now, same way, n is equal to 0 to 0 apply first. This one. N is equal to 1 you apply. Sin square theta cos square theta. N is equal to 2 you apply. Sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. And let the process to continue till infinite. Now again it is also S infinite. S infinite Z is equal to now A 1 by 1 minus common ratio, little bit carefully. Your common ratio is sin square theta into cos square theta. Now on the top you see 1 by 1 minus sin square theta, we got it, you see. It is 1 by x. Let us write 1 by x now here. And cos square theta also we got it, you see. 1 by y. Right, 1 by y. See, almost we got the equation. Just it is simple. You have to do the LCM. That's all. 1 by 1 minus 1 by xy. Now, what I'm going to do, it is very simple. I'll do cross multiplication. Z into 1 minus 1 by xy, which is equal to 1. Z. the LCM of 1 minus 1 by xy, it is, sorry, the LCM of 1 and xy is xy. So it will come xy minus 1 is equal to 1. Then z into xy minus 1, and xy, if you carry here xy, then multiply z, xy minus z is equal to xy. Then let us write xyz is equal to xy plus z. See, we got the relation between xyz. Let us see that where it is coinciding. It is coinciding with xyz is equal to xy plus z. Yes. So option B is right answer. That's all. This completes the solution. Children, if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. For more updates, keep watching my channel. Thank you.